You're now on the 5th video of the 6-part series on creating breeding trial experiments. Feel free to watch these in order or skip to more relevant ones based on your needs. Let's define the protocols that will be used to manage our plots throughout the season. There are 5 protocols that we can fill out depending on the objectives of our experiment. Remember that this step is optional at this stage, and we can still specify our protocols after the experiment creation is done. For our breeding trial experiment, we need to specify 4 of the 5 protocols, with the trait protocol being the most important. Here, we select the traits we want to observe in our experiment. One way is to add them individually using the Trait subtab. Let's select a trait from the drop-down menu, and then click Add. The selected trait will be displayed on the right browser. We can add more using the same steps. We can specify any instructions we have when collecting data for each trait. The toolbar also houses other tools that can be used to manage the added traits, such as delete and replace. Another option is to use the Trait List subtab if we have an existing trait list we can use. Next is the planting protocol. This is also an important protocol because planting sites will differ in their field sizes. Here we can set the crop establishment, planting type, and plot type. Then let's fill in the remaining blank fields, including the planting instructions if we can. After that, let's click Save. Third is the management protocol. This is where we specify how we will manage our experiments in the field. For example, we can choose which fertilizers to apply, what water management to employ, and other processes that have to be noted for the experiment. One way is to add them individually using the Management Variables subtab. Let's select a management attribute from the drop-down menu, and then click Add. The selected variable will be displayed on the right browser. We can add more using the same steps. We can specify any instructions we have for each management variable. Another way is to create a management variable list by selecting the added variables and saving it as a new management variable list. This is most helpful when several experiments require the same set of management protocols. Once we have a saved list, we can just go to the Management Variable List subtab and select our list. Lastly, we have the Harvest protocol, where we can specify the harvest method and instructions for our plots. Let's choose a harvest method from the drop-down menu. We are also encouraged to specify the harvest instructions. After these, let's click Save. That completes our protocols. Let's now proceed to the Site tab.